90% of business fail not because of bad ideas, but because people follow bad advice. They wait too long to start. They try to make everything perfect. They hire wrong people. But what if I told you there's a better way? Today, I'll show you exactly how to build a business that grows fast and makes money. I have divided this video into multiple parts so you can skip to any section you want. Part 1 is to start before you are ready. Don't wait for the perfect time. Most people think they need a perfect business plan, a beautiful website, lots of money, the perfect product. This is wrong. The best time to start is now, even if you are not 100% ready. Here's the simple rule that changed everything for me. If you are 70% ready, you are 100% ready. So start now. Now you will say why? Because your customers will tell you what you need to fix more than anyone else. You will learn more in 1 month of selling than 6 months of planning. While others are planning, you are already making money. Choose one simple thing to sell, find 10 people who might buy it, ask them what they want, make it and sell it. Improve based on their product. Don't overthink, just start. Part 2 is to hire the right people. Most of the business owners hire like this. They post a job ad, they interview 50 people, they hire the cheapest one. The person doesn't work out. This is wrong. Great people don't look for jobs. Great people already have jobs. The smart way to find great people. Here's a simple system. I called it as a SMART approach, where S stands for spot them early, notice people who do great job. M stands for make friends with them first, connect with them when you need them. Where A stands for appreciate their work, tell them what you like about their work, reach out to them regularly, stay in touch every few months. T stands for test before hiring, give them a small project and test before you hire them. Like instead of hiring when you need someone, start building the relationships 12 months before you need them. In month 1 to 3, find 5 people who do great work in your field. Month 4 to 6, connect with them and appreciate their work. In month 7 to 9, give them a small paid project to test them. And in month 10 to 12, when you need someone, they already know you and you can hire them. Now here's the secret. Pay good people more than average one. Why? Because one great person will do the work of 3 average people. They will also create less problems for you. They need less management, help you grow your business faster. They stay longer. It's cheaper to pay one person 80,000 than to pay 3 people 30,000 each. Now here are the red flags to avoid. Don't hire someone if they only ask you about the salary and holidays. Blame their previous boss for everything. Can't give specific examples of their work. Don't ask questions about your business. Promise unrealistic results. Now coming to the part 3 of building a strong team culture. The culture is how your team behaves when you are not watching. It's how they treat your customers, how they solve problems, how they help each other, how hard they work. Good culture is basically giving you more money, and bad culture is basically your business falling down. Next is to do energy test of every person in your team. Every person of your team is one of this. Energy giver, they make everyone work better. Energy neutral, they do their job, nothing more than that. Next one is energy takers, they create drama and problems for you. And the fourth one is energy killer. They make everyone else worse. Now the one energy taker will destroy the good work of 3 energy givers. So you must fire them immediately. Now how to build a good culture at work. Step 1 is to set clear rules. What behavior is good, what behavior is not allowed, what happens if someone breaks the rule. Now the step number 2 is to praise good work. When someone does something great, tell everyone. Give rewards for their good performance. Make heroes of your best people. Now step number 3 is to remove the bad people. If someone is toxic, remove them immediately. Don't hope they will change someday. Protect your good people from the bad people. Now you can use the 5-3-1 system as well, where you have 5 values, which are the 5 things that are important for your business. 3 rules are the 3 things that will get someone fired immediately, and 1 goal is the 1 number that everyone tries to improve. Now here's the example. Let's say 5 values at my company is honesty, quality, speed, teamwork and learning. Now the 3 rules are don't lie, don't miss deadlines and don't disrespect customers. And the 1 goal is to make customers happy, which is measured by the reviews. Coming to the part 4 is growing your business without breaking. Most businesses face this problem. They grow too fast and everything breaks down, or they grow too slow and competitor wins. Here's how to grow with the right way. There are 5 levels at work. Level 1 is where you do everything. In level 2, you tell people exactly what to do. In level 3, you tell people what results you want. In level 4, you give people full responsibility. And in level 5, system runs without you. Most business owners get stuck at level 2. They are afraid to let go. But real growth happens when you reach at level 4 or level 5. Now, how to let go? Follow these steps. In week 1, write down everything you do. In week 2, pick the 3 most important things only you can do. Now, in week 3, teach someone else to do one thing from your list. And in week 4, let them do it while you watch them. In week 5, let them do it alone. And in week 6, pick the next thing to teach. Build system, not dependencies. For every task, ask how can I make sure this happens without me? Create step-by-step guides so anyone can do the work. Create a checklist so nothing gets missed. Do measurement so you know if it's working. Automate your task so computer can do boring work. Now in part 5, think for long term. Ask yourself what would your business look like if it was 10 times bigger in 10 years. Most people think about next month. Successful people think about decades. Small improvements gives big results. If you improve 1% every week, your business will be 67% better in 1 year. What you need to focus on is to keep your customers longer, make them happy so they don't leave you, sell more to each customer by increasing the order value, get customers to buy more often so that you create a repeated business, get referrals from your customers, happy customers, bring more customers, build things that last. Don't just try to build a business, build something that will grow without you. Like create a strong brand where people trust your name, great reputation where customers recommend you, build good systems where business runs smoothly without you, and hire smart people so that team can handle your problem. Now I've created a short PDF with 90 days action plan for you. Comment plan and I'll give it to you. Your time is now. Building a successful business isn't about having the perfect plan. It's about starting fast, learning quickly, hiring smart, building systems and thinking big. The difference between successful and unsuccessful people isn't the talent or luck. It's the action that they take. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Stop waiting for perfect moments. Stop making excuses. Start building your business today. What's your biggest takeaway from today? Write it down in comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple business tips that actually work. See you next time.